Hello, my name's Teresa Greenway. Thank you for taking this course. In this baking course, we will be learning about old-fashioned sourdough breads. They often use baking soda and baking powder to leaven their breads, as well as the sourdough starter. We will be baking cornbread and biscuits, scones, waffles, pancakes, which they used to call flapjacks. We'll also be baking tortillas and a skillet bread like this. It's a white loaf that's made with milk and butter. Many of these breads are breads like your grandparents used to make. The first thing that you need to do is make a sourdough starter. In this lecture, there will be a link for you to be able to make your own sourdough starter, and there's also a downloadable ebook that will tell you all about making your own sourdough starter. I have a link to YouTube where I have a 14-day step-by-step how to make your own sourdough starter that will show you exactly what to do. It's really fun to make your own starter. You need to get started on it right away because it'll take you about 2 weeks. If you can borrow a sourdough starter from someone else, like one of your baking friends or even maybe a bakery in town, you might want to try that. So let's get started. Let's have some fun baking.